looking at is the termination notice of a channel, and it belonged to my granddaughter's gaming channel. Well, as you can see, it is a copyright infringement, and she has been putting these videos up for over 4 years. Well, all of a sudden they have now cracked down, so you may be channel to be shut down due to claims unless you've taken care of those copyright infringement issues. And that usually means you've got to go into that video and change whatever copyright is in your video. It might be the whole video. You may have to delete the whole video and start completely over again, which is what should have happened in these cases. But her being young, not realizing what the situation was, these never got taken care of. And she's been doing it for over 4 years, and she had over 400 videos. And unfortunately, she was less than 100 subscribers short of getting her channel monetized, which would mean that the videos that she's got up, she'd been getting paid for. Just leaving them up and then getting paid for them. Well, as you can see, she did not heed the copyright infringement agreements on YouTube, and now 4 years of uploading 400 videos are now in infinity. All I can say is take care of these messages when they come in. A lot of times, third party will share your channel just to promote, but you need to get in touch with them. In my case, I used to get hit with these copyrights because I was using copyrighted music in the background of my videos. And then when I got to a point where they suspended my channel for 6 months. So what you have to do is go in there, get rid of that copyrighted music, and then go to YouTube's non-copyrighted music. It's as simple as that, and use their music in there. The other way you could use copyrighted material is you've got to go to the copyright company or the owners of the music and get permission. And in today's world, you can get a license to do that. So don't let this happen to you. And then the other side of it is make sure that you are clicking the appropriate watch category. If it's not for children, click not for children, because you don't want to get nailed on something like that. There you go. There's your warning. Make sure this doesn't happen to you, especially if you're already monetized and making money. This can just disappear in a flash. There you go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Crosby's